If you have been longing for a peaceful creative practice to wind down and reconnect with yourself, this watercolor class might be just what you need. Hi, I'm Pooja and welcome to my Skillshare class, Watercolor Patterns for Calm and Creativity. Paint 7 simple projects to learn and relax, one each day. I'm an artist and author of Modern Watercolor Workshop, a book that celebrates the joy of intuitive watercolor painting. You can also find more inspiration in my book, where I guide you through 21 fresh, contemporary patterns using a relaxed and beginner friendly approach. The book is organized into 7 unique design styles with projects suited for every skill level, from complete beginners to seasoned artists looking for something light and joyful. I love creating art that feels light, approachable, and meditative. You can find me sharing daily painting videos and inspiration over on Instagram at By the Lakeside, and I also post additional mini tutorials on my YouTube channel. So be sure to check those out if you would like to continue painting with me beyond this class. This class is designed as a gentle meditative painting experience where we will explore one simple watercolor pattern each day for 7 days. We will be using lines, curves, grids, leaves, and organic shapes to create soothing abstract patterns. Each one easy enough for beginners and calming enough for experienced painters to enjoy. While all the lessons will be available to you at once, I encourage you to treat this as a 7-day watercolor series. Each day we will focus on one pattern style with the intention of slowing down and giving yourself the space to enjoy the painting process, one project at a time. There's no rush here. Let this class be your daily creative pause. By the end of this class, you will feel more confident with basic watercolor techniques, understand how to create harmony and flow using shapes and repetition, and most importantly, you will build a calming daily art habit that feels achievable and fulfilling. So gather your paints and let's get started, one peaceful painting at a time.